I'm not really sure when I decided to be an attorney. I think that growing up, and I didn't appreciate at the time, that my skill sets and my interests were such that it really would lead me to the law if I had the opportunity to be a lawyer. I never really dreamed of being a lawyer because I grew up in a pretty poor community and my family wasn't very wealthy. My greatest goal was to hope I could get to college. What really happened in terms of going to law school was that I got married at the end of my junior year. We had a baby on the way. I left the University of Florida, came back to Jacksonville so I could work, and finished up at Jacksonville University. And I was able to work full-time and go to school there. When I got out, I started coaching football at my old high school and teaching, and I loved it. And we were very comfortable. I think we were making like $10,000 a year, and we were rich, and everything was great. But even though I was married and had a baby and was a teacher, Uncle Sam decided he wanted me to go to Vietnam. And so I had 2 years of ROTC at Florida. And I went down to Gainesville to find out if I could get into advanced ROTC so I could be an officer, and realized I had to go to school. And so I went over to the law school. I'd taken the law boards when I was a sophomore on a lark. Apparently did real well on them. They gave me a scholarship and they said, come to law school. I'd always dreamed, I think, of being a lawyer, but I don't think I would have ever done it because of the responsibilities of my family. And I love teaching and coaching. And I really think that there was, I think God played a hand in this, as strange as it may seem. But for the choice of going to Vietnam as a grunt or getting back in school and going as an officer, I'm not sure I'd ever gone to law school. And law school was wonderful.